How to make your Snapchat account private. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can make your account private on Snapchat. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, if you know that the Snapchat is completely a private app, no one else will be able to view your information on your Snapchat, such as your friend list or your friends. That is usually shown in other social media apps, right? So your account is already private. However, if you want to set it more private, what you can do is you can simply open up Snapchat, head over to your profile. On your profile, you can tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner, as you can see here. Now here, if you scroll down below, you should be able to find the option privacy control. Under it, you'll find various options or various settings that you can set your account to private. So similarly, you can see the first option, contact me, you can tap on it. Now you can see who can contact you directly on Snapchat. Here you can set it to friends only, so that any of your non-friends will not be able to text you or snap you. Similarly, you can see who can use your Bitmoji avatar. You can set it to only me if you don't want others to use it. You can see who can view your story option. You can set it to custom, and you can only set limited friends that you wish to view your story. You can see comment settings. You can change your comment settings as well. You can see me in find friends option here. If you don't want anyone else to find you in add friend option, then you can disable this here. So this is how you can set your Snapchat account private. Hope this video has helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.